Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, we will learn how to create low poly simple house model in Blender 3D. First of all, select the default cube. For the better detail, go to the viewport shading, press on the show cavity and select the screen type to both. Press N to bring the property panel. On the X dimension, select 5 meter and on the Y dimension, choose 7 meter and on the Z dimension, select 4 meter. On the numpad, press 1 to go to front view. To adjust with the 3D cursor, go to the Z location and set it to 2. Now go to object mode, switch to face selection mode, select this face and extrude it. Now go to vertex selection mode, select these two vertices, press M and merge it at center. Now on the same way, select these two vertices, press M and merge it at center. Now select these two faces, press P and separate the selection. Now go to object mode, select the separated part and rename it. Now press S plus Y to scale the roof on the Y direction. Now go back to edit mode by pressing tab button. Select these two faces, go to mesh, extrude and extrude along normal and extrude it outside. Now in the extrude property, enable the offset even and reduce the offset value. Now go to the edge selection mode, select this edge, press Ctrl plus B and bevel it, increase the segments to 4. Now go back to face selection mode, select this face and this face, go to mesh, extrude and extrude along normal and extrude it outside and set the offset to 0.2. Now press Shift A, add a cube and grab it with X direction, press S and resize it. Now scale it with Z direction. Now go to edit mode by pressing tab button, select this face, press E to extrude and scale it. Now extrude it with Z direction, press I to insert it and extrude it down. Now select the down face and delete it. Now select this and rename it. Now press 3 on the number pad, select the chimney and grab it up. Now place it here and grab it down with Z direction. Now select this cube, go to edit mode, select this face and delete it. Now press Ctrl R and place a loop cut, grab it down. Now go to face selection mode, select the face loop with the alt click. Now press E to extrude it and resize it outside. Now select these 4 faces and delete it. Now go to object mode, to create a door, press Shift A, add a cube, press 1 on the number pad. Now grab the cube with Z direction until it matches ground. Now press S plus X and resize it. Now grab it with X direction. Now press 3 on the number pad, press S and resize it with Y direction. Go back to edit mode, select this face and grab it up. Now select this cube and rename it. Now select the main cube, go to modifiers and add a boolean modifier. In the object, select the door and apply it. Now press H and hide the door. Now select the main cube, go to edit mode, select this face and delete it. Now select these faces and delete it also. Now unhide the door. Now select this door and go to edit mode, select this face and delete it, and then select this face and also delete it. Now select this face and press 3 on the number pad, press I and extrude it. Now uncheck the boundary option. Now go to object mode, select the door and grab it down properly. Now extrude this face like that. Now let's create a door handle, press Shift A, add a cylinder, set vertices to 8 and grab it outside. Now rotate it with 90 angle, select this face and delete it. Now select this face, extrude it outside, press S and resize it. Now extrude it twice and scale it down. Now press S and resize it and place it here. Now let's create windows, press Shift A, add a cube, press 3 on the number pad, place the cube here and scale it according to your window. Now press 1 on the number pad and grab it down like that. Now press 3 on the number pad, right click, hit origin and origin to 3D cursor. Now go to modifiers, generate and select the mirror modifier and then select Y axis. Now select the main cube, go to modifiers and add a boolean modifier. Take the eyedropper and select this window and apply it. Now select the windows and delete it. Now select the main cube, go to edit mode, select this face, press P and separate the selection. Now go back to object mode and here you can see our window has been separated. Now select this window and rename it. Now go back to object mode, select this face and press I to insert it like that. Now press Ctrl R and add a loop cut, increase the number of cut to 2. Now press S and scale it with Y direction. Now add horizontal loop cut, increase the number of cut to 2. Press S and scale it with Z direction like that. Now select these two faces, press X and dissolve the faces, and on the same way select these two faces, press X and dissolve the faces. Now these two faces, press X and dissolve the faces, and repeat the process for same these two faces. Now select these faces and extrude it outside. Now go back to object mode, select the main cube, go back to edit mode and select this face and delete it. Now switch back to object mode, select this window, right click, set origin and set origin to 3D cursor. Now press 3 on the number pad. Now go to modifier and add a mirror modifier. Select the axis to Y axis. Now select the main cube, press Ctrl R, add a loop cut, increase the number of cut to 2. Now scale it down on the Y axis. Now go to face selection mode, select this face and extrude it outside. Now press K to bring the knife tool, press shift to snip the middle part and make a cut. Press on the enter button. Now select this face and extrude it outside, and then select these two faces, press X and delete it. Press the tab button and go to the object mode, and this is our low poly house model. Now let's create some materials, and after adding some material, our low poly house model is ready in Blender 3D. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and tell us your reaction in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.